वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल नेक्सा नॉलेज। जी आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे जीके का पोर्शन एडी फिशरीज़ के लिए। इसमें फर्स्ट है हु अमंग द फॉलोइंग इज़ द करंट सेक्रेटरी जनरल ऑफ SAR। ये है पी अमजद सियार हुसैन। एंड सेकंड है हु वाज द फर्स्ट गवर्नर जनरल ऑफ द स्टेट बैंक ऑफ पाकिस्तान। ये है ए जहर हुसैन। एंड थर्ड है कोर्ट विलियम वाज एन ऑस्ट्रियन डिप्लोमेट एंड स्टेटमैन हु सर्व 2 टर्म्स एज द डेप्यूटी सेक्रेटरी जनरल ऑफ द यूनाइटेड नेशन। Fourth, the General Assembly and the Security Council select the judges of International Court of Judge for the period of 9 years. The ICJ is comprised of 15 judges. And Kaiser Range is a mountain range in Pakistan extending about 190 miles. In which province of Pakistan does the range largest portion reside? ये है बी बलोचिस्तान। उसके बाद है 6, when बलोचिस्तान was given the state of province। ये है 1970। ये हो गया। उसके बाद है 7, what is the length of Karakoram highway? Karakoram highway की लेंथ क्या है? 810 miles। एंड 8 है हु अमंग द फॉलोइंग वाज द पेनल्टीमेंट वाइसराय ऑफ ब्रिटिश। ये है बी लॉर्ड वेवल। एंड 9 है चिनाह पाकिस्तान एंड इस्लामिक आइडेंटिटी द सर्च ऑफ सलाहुद्दीन इज़ अ बुक बेस्ड ऑन कन्वर्सेशन एंड इंटरव्यूज ऑफ दोज हु वर क्लोज टू जिना। हु रोट दिस बुक? इस बुक को किसने लिखा? अकबर एस अहमद। एंड 10 है ताजमहल वाज बिल्ड बाय शाहजहां टू इमोर्टलाइज हिज वाइफ मुमताज़ महल। इट्स कंसंट्रेशन अपॉन 22 years। व्हेन वाज द प्रोजेक्ट कमेंस्ड? कब हुआ? कमेंस्ड हुआ 1632 1632। और 11 है हाउ मैनी लेयर डज अर्थ्स एटमॉस्फेयर है? 4। लेस देन 1% ऑफ अर्थ्स वाटर इज फ्रेश वाटर बट द ओशन कंटेन -% ऑफ अर्थ वाटर 97। 13 है हु अमंग ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज द करंट प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ आज़ाद एंड जम्मू कश्मीर। आज़ाद और जम्मू कश्मीर का प्रेसिडेंट कौन है? ये है जी मसूद खान। And Katas Raj temples are revered Hindu temples in Pakistan, in which district the temples reside? ये है चकवार। नवाब मलिक अमीर मोहम्मद खान, also known as नवाब of Kalaba, was governor of West Pakistan in 1907। He was from, वो कहाँ से थे? मियांवाल। और 16 है भाई Attock Fort was built during the region of which Mughal emperor? Akbar। Bit is also called binary digit। According to World Bank, what was the growth rate of Pakistan in 2008? ये है बी 5.8%। Which of the following vitamin contain traces of selenium? Vitamin E। Prom chips are programmed by plugging them into Prom programmer। ये हो गया। उसके बाद है 21, It's a Indus River System Authority was established for regulating and monitoring the distribution of water sources of Indus River in 1992। और 22 है Sindh Sagar Doab is one of the 5 major doabs of the Punjab province। It is the tract of the land between the following river? C. Indus and Jhelum। Who is the current chief of the air staff? ये है C. मुजाहिद अनवर। ये हो गया। तो उसके बाद है 24, इंटरनेशनल मदर लैंग्वेज इज सेलिब्रेटेड 21 February। एंड विच अमंग द गिवन ऑप्शन इज द कैपिटल ऑफ ताजिकिस्तान? आस्ताना। एंड SCO को क्या है भैया? शंघाई कोऑपरेशन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन वाज एस्टेब्लिश 2001। According to a report published by IMF, Pakistan has been ranked dash in the world among countries facing acute water shortage। ये बी 3rd। और उसके बाद है MNCT International is an international non-governmental organization for human rights। It was founded in 1961। A mechanical stopwatch can measure a time interval up to a minimum dash second 0.1 second। When in ICC Champion Trophy did Pakistan defeat India? 18 June। Which among the following defines the event of supernova? Exploding star। And ये क्या है भाई? Which among the following defines the event of supernova? supernova के event को कौन डिफाइन करता है? Exploding star। King of pop Michael Jackson was an American singer, songwriter and dancer। He died in कब मरा? June 2009। Who among the following is known as the poet of beauty? ये B. John Keats। And 34 है in mathematics a solution to an equation that emerges from the process of solving the problem but is not a valid solution to a problem, it is called solution। वो क्या है भी? extraneous। And 35 है the number of element in power set 1 2 3 is ये है 8। ये इसका solution दिया हुआ है। And 36 how many subset does an empty subset have? ये है 1। when a triangle has 2 congruent sides it is called dash triangle isosceles। The dash is equal to the sum of all the value in the data divided by the number of value in the data। यह है A mean। और उसके बाद है a dash is the representation of a frequency distribution by means of rectangles whose width whose widths represent class intervals and whose area are the proportional to the corresponding frequencies. क्या है ये है बी हिस्टोग्राम. एंड विच इंस्ट्रूमेंट इज सुटेबल टू मेजर द इंटरनल डायमीटर ऑफ अ टेस्ट ट्यूब. ये है ए वर्नियर कैलिपर्स. एंड 41 है इसका. क्रूड ऑयल इज हीटेड इन द फर्नेस अप टू कितनी टेम्परेचर है 400 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड. और 42 है स्मूथ एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम इज इन्वॉल्व इन द सिंथेसिस एंड स्टोरेज ऑफ लिपिड्स. वर्ल्ड फूड प्रोग्राम एंड ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ऑफ यूनाइटेड नेशन वॉज क्रिएटेड एट द बी हिस्ट ऑफ. ये है बी Dwight Eisenhower. And 44 है Sabia, a concept of social solidarity with an emphasis on unity was given by A. Ibn Khaldun. 45 Muhammad Ibn Zakaria al-Razi was a polymath, physician, alchemist and a philosopher कहाँ से थे वो? किस कंट्री से? ईरान से. Al-Unknown fi at-Tib is an encyclopedia of medicine in 5 books written by Avicenna. And who among the following discovered the sunspots? ये है C. Galileo. And 48 है which city was hit by the earthquake of 1935? Quetta. In which country does the Batura Glacier lie? Pakistan. And which province among the following has Uch gas field? C. Balochistan. How many countries are there in Asia? 46. And a horse ran around a ground twice and covered distance of 8 kilometers. 8 किलोमीटर. वन साइड ऑफ स्क्वायर ग्राउंड इस ये होगा जी 40 किलोमीटर. सॉरी 40 नहीं 4 किलोमीटर. एंड उसके आगे है 43 हु अमोंग द फॉलोइंग इन्वेंटेड बाइफोकल स्पेक्टेकल्स एंड लाइटनिंग बोर्ड. ये है बी बेंजामिन फ्रैंकलिन. विच गैस फील्ड अमोंग द फॉलोइंग इज द सेकंड लार्जेस्ट गैस फील्ड इन पाकिस्तान विच इज़ बीइंग ऑपरेटेड बाय OCGDL. ये है भाई कादिरपुर गैस फील्ड. Mars neighbor of Earth has natural satellite. ये है 2. And Max Planck won Nobel Prize in Physics in 1918 for the discovery of energy quantum. And which among the following instrument is used to measure the amount of liquid precipitation over a set of period of time? ये है rain gauge. And per second is a unit used to measure distance. And solar eclipse occur when moon comet between sun and earth. And 60 है a camera uses convex lens to form an image which is real, inverted and diminished. ये हो गया. 61 है when NaCO3 is heated it produces carbon dioxide. Stoma found in the epidermis of leaves closes when guard cell are lose water. Iron, steel structure are damaged by sulfur dioxide. Inflammation of liver is caused by hepatitis. ये हो गया. फिर उसके बाद है 65 Paris Climate Agreement was adopted in 2015. The United Nations Conference on Environment and Development, also known as Rio Summit, was held in 1992. What is the speed of sound in air? Near B 12,035 km per hour. Enzymes are basically made up of proteins. And what is the lifespan of red blood cells? 120 days. And what is the percentage of water present in our brain? 73%. And in order to make nitrogen available to primary producer like plant and ecosystem, it is converted into ammonia. Parthenocarpy is the production fruit which makes the fruit seedless. The World Day to combat desertification and drought is a United Nations is observed on यह है 17 जून. A normal CD room usually can store up to data 680 MB. And dengue is caused by which type of mosquito? Aedes. And which tube among the following joins kidney and bladder? Ureter. Edward Jenner successfully developed world's first vaccine in 1796. And the pancreatic juice which aids digestion is secreted into duodenum. 79 है who among the following transmitted first radio signal through air? किसने किया था भाई? मार्कोनी ने. High tech exports of Pakistan stand at none of these. Who among the following prime ministers of Pakistan secured Gwadar from Oman? ये है A. Firoz Khan Noon. And villi or small finger-like structure in the small intestine. Yeast is essential in making of bread because it produces carbon dioxide. And के बाद है जी कार्टरपुर कोराइडर लिंक विच गुरुद्वारा टू इंडिया दरबार साहिब. And 85 है Pakistan being ALMA-AL3 signatory in 1978 launched the National Program for Family Planning and Primary Health in 1994. After fertilization, a fruit developed from which part of the plant? प्लांट के कौन से पार्ट से? ओवरी से. Which disease is caused by the deficiency of vitamin D? Rickets. The largest famine hit Ethiopia in 1983. The medians of a triangle cut each other in the ratio 2:1. Who among the following was the longest serving chairman of Senate? Qasim Sajjad. Which among the following is responsible for the clotting of the blood? ब्लड क्लॉटिंग के लिए कौन सा है भाई? ये है प्लेटलेट्स. Mastication is called the process of chewing. At which temperature do bacteria die? ये है A 102 Fahrenheit scale. And 94 है, what is the color of oxyhemoglobin? Bright red. Pepsinogen is converted into stomach in pepsin. Literacy rate in Christian world is 100% compared to that literacy rate in Muslim world is ये है 40%. Pakistan's population is what percent of the world population? 2.8%. Circumference of Earth is around. कितना है भाई इसका circumference? C 4075 किलोमीटर. Indian Railway started operation. ये है 1853. और 100 है, what is the title of Hazrat Ibrahim अलैहिस्सलाम खलीलुल्लाह?